Actually, I wrote this song when I was here on a holiday. Half of it. I wrote the first half in California and I finished it off when I was here on a detox retreat thing. If anyone cares. It is... The first half of the song is about loving someone, the second half is about killing the same person. It's a joke, so don't take it personally, please. I'm not actually that violent. Look at me. He's just imagining if I was going to be a murderer, this is what I would do. Do you want to be my lover? Not my sister nor my mother. Your green eyes make me feel lazy. Slap my ass, man. Get lazy. Getting lazy. The girl of hurricane mountain headache, 'cause your kisses are electric. You're out the girl from the Shire. Lift me up a little higher, a little higher. And I wanna unlock your passenger door and kick you off the bridge and feed you to a lioness and eating her crazy fast. Go inside in my release. Get me out, I need relief. Heard me wrong, you were always mental. Thought I should have got a rental. Got a rental. And I'm gonna use a chainsaw to cut your hair and make a bloody mess and put arsenic in your coffee. Yeah, what you fear to death. Bromas. I want to befriend the straight you, run over, commiserate you. Never told me your intention. Doubt I would. Electrocution? No shoes. Gotta mention. Gotta mention. And I wanna cut you up into pieces and shelf you in a bed. And then I fill a bathtub with some bleachers and click, I'll do the rest. Oh, you can't run and you can't hide. That I will find you in disguise. And you think I'm putting you to the test, but I'm gonna let the chainsaw and do the rest. And I wanna unlock your passenger door and get you off the bridge and feed you to a lioness eating her crazy fast. Unlock your passenger door. And I'm gonna use a chainsaw to cut your hair, make a bloody mess, put arsenic in your coffee, and watch you fade to death.